Go. Good job.
Tip over when you do it right.
Okay. Here. That's my mommy.
Good job. You're getting up higher than I could.
Let's see. Watch how far over they go. You gotta just bounce. Perfect.
I'm trying Mommy,
Alright, I'm ready.
You
Shut up.
I don't go about like that, but hang on. Let me arch your back.
Don't let me go.
Let me arch your back more. Keep your head down. There you go. Wheelbarrow race. Go, come on.
That was pretty good.
I'll wear you out, won't it?
Ow.
Oh gosh, you alright? Oh my goodness.
You alright?
Yeah.
Take a break. Let it quit hurt.
Okay. I need to do it on the grass.
Alright, let's do it on the grass. Hang on, let me get it to where it's in focus again so I can see you. Well, I still can't see you. Let me try it. A little bit better. Phew.
Wait.
Alright. Where you going, Spider-Man?